When it comes to retirement savings, there are so many myths floating around that can mislead you. Whether you're just starting to plan or already near retirement, these myths can prevent you from making the smartest financial moves. Today, we're going to tackle the biggest myths about retirement savings, debunk them, and show you how to actually protect your wealth, especially if you're concerned about your future security. First, let's clear this up right away. One of the most common myths is that you should rely solely on your 401k or traditional retirement accounts. People think that just saving in these types of accounts will automatically set them up for success. But here's the thing. These accounts, while useful, can be vulnerable to market fluctuations and inflation, which can erode your wealth over time. You're essentially putting all your eggs in one basket, and that's a risk you can't afford, especially as you near retirement. Now, if you want to protect yourself from these risks, many experts are suggesting something you might not have considered: gold IRAs. If you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this free guide will show you why this strategy is being called a game changer. Another myth that I see all the time is that the stock market is the best place for retirement savings. Sure, the stock market can offer strong returns, but it can also crash without warning, putting your hard-earned money at risk. If you're relying entirely on the market, especially in uncertain times, you're gambling with your future. That's why I always recommend diversifying your portfolio, and gold IRAs are the perfect way to do that. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation and market volatility, giving you the stability you need when the market is unpredictable. Some people believe they're too late to invest in gold, thinking it's just for people who are nearing retirement, but that's simply not true. In fact, the earlier you start investing in a gold IRA, the more you can benefit from its ability to grow and protect your wealth. Whether you have $100K or $5 million, a gold IRA can work for you by providing stability, especially when the market is in turmoil. Another myth that's incredibly misleading is the idea that you need to have an extravagant amount of money to open a gold IRA. This simply isn't true. Many financial institutions offer gold IRA accounts with reasonable minimums, and the process of opening one is actually pretty simple. So if you've been holding back because you think it's out of reach, I'm here to tell you, it's not, and it might be the smartest decision you can make for your financial future. Now, let's talk about the myth that retirement savings are enough to get you through your golden years. The truth is, most people underestimate how much money they'll need once they stop working. Social Security often isn't enough to live comfortably, and your retirement savings could fall short if they're not well managed. That's where diversifying your retirement strategy with assets like gold really comes into play. It's not just about putting money away. It's about making sure that money keeps its value and works for you. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for a way to secure your wealth and avoid the risks that come with traditional retirement accounts, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get instant access to a free guide that's helped thousands of Americans just like you take control of their financial future by moving into gold IRAs. This is especially perfect for those of you who have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 501 plus in savings. Don't wait. Take action now and protect your wealth for years to come. Remember, these myths are out there to confuse you, but you don't have to buy into them. With the right knowledge and planning, you can retire confidently, knowing your wealth is secure